Welcome to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. In this tutorial, we will be solving some of the SQL hands-on that were asked during the Cognizant internship. The title of the hands-on is Credential Details. In this tutorial, we will be writing a query in order to display the username and password of all the owners. After that, what we have to do, we have to give an alias name as username and password. And after that, we need to sort the result based on username in ascending order. So this is the common pattern that is repeating in every question. Sorting. Username and password is generated as mentioned below. So they have given one example how the username and password should look like. How username is generated? We need to concat the owner's name and owner ID. So in the owners table, we have owner name and owner ID. So username will get generated when we concat these two columns. That is owner name and owner ID. Let's see how password will get generated. So we need to concat first three characters of owner's name with the owner ID. So what we have to do, we have to separate the first three letters of the owner name and then we have to concat with owner's ID. Suppose the owner ID is 01 and owner name is Jiva. So the username will get generated as per the concatenation between the owner name and owner ID. So it is Jiva01. Now the username is clear to you. Now let's see how password will get generated. How password will get generated? We need to concat first three letters, that is JEE, and then the owner ID, that is 01. Right now I am fetching the data for the username. So let's see how username will get generated. So we need to concat owner name and owner ID. So I will use one keyword, that is concat. Then in the brackets I will specify the columns that I need to concat. So I need to concat owner's name, comma, owner ID. Now, as mentioned in the question, we need to give the alias as username. So I will use as keyword in order to give the alias as username. So see, this is giving me the perfect username that we are actually looking for. The username is Jiva01 and let's talk about the password. So password is a combination of three characters of owner's name. So I will use one keyword, that is left. So what we have to fetch the first three letters. So that's why we are starting from left. Then we need to specify the column name. So what is that? Owner name. Then how many characters do we need? We need only three characters. So I will use comma, three characters. So this is the length that we are looking for. So see, this is giving me the perfect result. Left owner name comma 3 is giving me the first three characters of owner's name. Now what we have to do, we have to concatenate with the owner's ID. So see, I am using one more keyword, that is concat. And one more thing that you should need to keep in mind, that you need to follow the brackets very carefully, because if you will forget the brackets, then it will not give the perfect result. So see how I am structuring the query. So in the concat, I have specified the first column, that is left owner name comma 3, and then the second column, that is owner ID. And I have given the alias as password. So it will giving me the perfect result that we are actually looking for. After this, we need to sort the result based on username in ascending order. So in the previous video, I have already showed the keyword that is used for the sorting, that is order by. So we need to do order by, then specify the column name, that is in this case it is username. So order by column name, and then we have to use ascending or descending. So by default it is ascending, so there is no need to mention ASC over here. Now let me restructure this query for your understanding. I hope you liked my video. If yes, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments section. I am happy to answer all your queries. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.